Toyota Highlander, your vehicle is blocking the driveway to the school parking lot. If you own a white Toyota Highlander, to the first action assembly of the Marin Organizing Committee.
Buenas noches a todos y bienvenidos a la primera asamblea del Comité Organizador de Marin. Por favor, tomen sus asientos.
Me llamo Pam Shortridge. I am the pastor of the Mill Valley Community Church, UCC, and a member of the briefing team for this evening. Please, as you are coming in, take your seats and turn off all cell phones. Turn off all cell phones and electronic devices for this evening.
I am Montserrat Magayan, volunteer on Leader with Parent Service Project and member of the briefing team tonight. Por favor, tomen todos sus asientos y apaguen sus celulares porque vamos a iniciar.
It is time to begin. Raphael's Catholic Church and the Karina Velasquez Dance Group for their beautiful music and dancing this evening. Please give them a round of applause.
Primero vamos a dar las gracias a mi...
We come from several faith communities and non-profit organizations from all over Marin County. We are from different ethnic groups, language groups, neighborhoods, and communities. We have a wide variety of backgrounds and interests, but we are all here tonight with the common purpose to be recognized and to stake a claim on the future of Marin County. Our congregations and nonprofit organizations are sponsoring the building of the Marin Organizing Committee to strengthen our own institutions and to create a powerful source for change in this county. But our work is just beginning and our membership is growing. We want to extend a special greeting to those nonprofit organizations and faith communities who are here tonight because you are seriously considering joining us. Welcome to this assembly. Armbands. Members of the floor team, will you please wave your arms and be ready? The story has just begun. Tonight's action assembly will not tell all the Marin stories. Your story and your community may not be represented by what you hear tonight. We hope you will join us and add your story to ours. We invite you to work with us to create a strong web of relationships all over this county to build the kind of Marin we want to leave to the generations who will follow us.
Las historias que pudieran representar al condado de Marin, y tal vez muchas no fueron representadas esta noche, pero deseamos que puedan ser agregadas en un futuro. Invitamos a trabajar y crear una red fuerte en relaciones alrededor del condado para que los cambios sean seguidos por nuestras siguientes generaciones.
Delegates, are we ready to begin? Would all of you who are comfortable standing, please stand as the Marin Organizing Committee leaders and guests.
El Comité Organizador de Marin, suban al estrado.